boop, boop, bottle, rabbit. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful and a lovely day. I'm feeling pretty lazy today. It took whatever ounce of gumption I had to actually put makeup on, do my hair, get everything ready to start filming, and I feel like I deserve a cake. Yeah, I think a cake sounds wonderful. You actually did something today, cake. Yeah, sounds like a good type of cake. The best type of cake. But I don't have cake here today, but I do have a YumeTwins subscription. So that's pretty good motivation in itself, so let's get to it. So yeah, I have a YumeTwins subscription box, and I'm pretty pumped about this one this month. Party Animal is the theme for this month, and I saw one of the sneak peeks of the items on the YumeTwins site, and I am so excited. It's absolutely ridiculous, so I have high expectations for this whole box, so fingers crossed my expectations are met. A quick review of what YumeTwins is if you don't know. YumeTwins is a monthly Kawaii subscription. It's filled with a whole bunch of Kawaii Japanese goodies that come straight from Japan. And I love the whole Japanese culture, and I love so many different things about Japan, and this box has been one of my favorite subscriptions that I've gotten so far. I've been getting it for almost a year now, so I'm pretty happy with it. Obviously, I've been getting it for a year. You also receive points every time you get a box, and those points build up, and you can redeem those points for vouchers, or you can get something from their catalog with those points. I tend to get the $5 or the $10 vouchers so that I can use them on their sister site, Japan Haul. Well, let's get to unboxing this bad boy. I can't wait to see what's in this. Okay, you ready for this? Da-da, 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 da-da. Uh-oh. Oh my god, this is gonna be ridiculous. Are you ready for this? Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have a little catalog here. And I don't know if I mentioned this, they draw all their own catalog art. So this is this month's art. Pretty cute. So we'll take a peek through this later once we've gone through the box. First item. This was the sneak peek item that I was telling you guys about. And oh my gosh. It's so soft. It's a bunny hat. Look at that. No, just wait for it. Prepare yourselves. This might blow your mind. What's that? I think I hear something. I'm gonna have way too much fun with this. This is ridiculous. Boop, 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 bottle, rabbit. What you doing? What's that over there? Okay, well, enough of that. I'm gonna get a little carried away here. I should put this hat away. I'm ridiculously too excited about this. I 100% approve of this. Anyways, moving on. The next item is a little container, a little snack container, and it's really pretty. Little sakura blossoms all over it, and it says Sakura. That's a decent little container. I like that. Huh, I'll have to figure out what I'm gonna use this for. I don't think I'm gonna use this for food. I'm probably gonna use this for like knickknacks or something, but I really like it. Another one approved. Next we have, it's a glittery keychain. Oh, that's cute. Glitter. I'm really excited for this. I love keychains. I always have to keep changing my keychains on my keyring because it ends up getting so big and so massive because I have so many keychains on it that it looks ridiculous, and I can't go anywhere without literally hearing the jingles of my keys. So I've started changing them, and I'm really excited for this. Okay, let's take a close look at this. Okay, weird. It's like a soft, hard plastic at the same time. It's really well made. Oh my god. I love it. Yeah. So there's a whole bunch of glitter. I forget what these characters are called again. Oh my god. Something Angel? Oh, I'm sorry. I forget what these characters' names are. But this is really cute. It's really well made. It's definitely going on my keychain. So, approved. Water. The next item is sponges. You know, to clean up the aftermath of the party, obviously. You know, some people might not like getting sponges, but I love, you know, cute little things, and they're cute little Sakura Blossom sponges, so I don't really have any complaints about that. I've gotten a sponge once from them, and I didn't like the character of it, and I thought it was not very kawaii. But I think these are super kawaii, cute. Very nice. I like that got different colors. I approve these. I almost don't want to use them to wash dishes. They're too pretty. I might sacrifice one to the dishes and just keep one because I don't want to wreck them. Continuing on, we have, oh cute, it's a coaster. Just one. This is really cute, I have to admit. I wish I got a set of them. That would have been awesome. But this one is super cute. I like the little polar bear looking bear with the little pink bag it's carrying. I like that the bag has a face too. Let's see the quality of this. I think I got my first complaint. Now, being truthfully honest here, this feels really flimsy and cheap. Like, super cheap. Like if I pressed too hard, that thing, like, would break. I would think that they would have this and then maybe another harder layer underneath of it. So I'm slightly disappointed in that. Is it cute? Yes, it's definitely cute. Is it kind of cheaply made? Yeah, it is. It is. I'm probably gonna end up like putting this on my wall rather than using it for a coaster because it's cute, and I feel like if I use it for a coaster, it's gonna get destroyed really quickly with how thin and cheap it seems to be. But honestly, this only gets approved for how cute it is. I do not approve this for the quality of this or anything else. This is cheap. I got another item with these characters on it. These characters are called Little Twin Stars. So what do you need to invite people to a party? Well, I mean, most people might use Facebook or message them or email them, but they're keeping it old-fashioned and they have invitations. So you have the little envelopes, and you have the paper. I love the picture that they used too. That's absolutely adorable. Having like a hot tub bubble bath on the moon with candy and milkshakes. I'm a little jealous of them. I definitely approve this. Okay, so that's everything in the box. Next we're gonna go through the catalog, and we're just gonna take a little peek at what the things are called and whatnot. If any of you are interested, I'd love to know your opinion on whether or not I should read this little intro in the catalog. Each month it's different, and it kind of correlates to the box, and it's a little message from the curators of the YumeTwins box. So I don't know if I should read it. I've contemplated it, so if any of you want to comment down below, you know, yes, no, maybe so, then feel free to do that. What's inside my box? The first item we have is the moving bunny's ear hat. Check. Yeah, just magic moving bunny ears. Okay, cool. And yeah, it was just a pink and a white one you could have gotten. The next item in the catalog is the Samiko Gurashi coaster. So that's this. Check. And you could have gotten a polar bear with a pink bag, a platypus looking thing. I don't know what that, or I guess platypuses aren't fuzzy. Maybe it's a sheep with some sort of yellow blob. And then you could have gotten something that kind of looks like a penguin holding what I can only assume is a pickle, because pickles rock. And a cat with some little grass, or maybe catnip. Aw, I love kitties. I wish I could have gotten the kitty, but I still like this. Still disappointed with how cheap these are. Next we have the glitter character keychain. So, check. The characters you could have gotten for this keychain from Sanrio are Samiko Gurashi, Doraemon, Crayon Shinchan, yeah, Crayon Shinchan, and Hello Kitty. So, oh, and little twin stars. So, I'm pretty happy with that. I definitely approve of this. This is just super cute. Next we have the sparkly Kawaii bowl. Check, check, check. You could have gotten from 6 different variations from Hello Kitty, My Melody, Samiko Gurashi, and Doraemon. Cool. I'm really happy with the one I got. Looking at the ones you could have gotten, I think this is honestly my favorite one. So, this is awesome. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm gonna say this right off the bat. I can already tell I got the letter set I would have wanted. This is definitely my favorite out of all the choices. And so yeah, next is a Sanrio letter set. And you could have gotten 7 different designs. Oh, cool. So they only have 4 designs in this little catalog, so I don't even know what the other designs would have been. I'm really happy with the one I got though. Yeah, Sanrio letter set. Check, check, check. The last item in this catalog is the Sakura Kitchen Sponge set. So, check, check, check. Oh, I see. So, I didn't realize this. This is a set, the little Sakura container and these sponges. I should have clued into that. Yeah, it's a set. They come together. Oh, cool. Ah, 2 items for 1 category. I'm pretty happy with that. So, yeah, that was everything. That was a decent box. I don't have any complaints except for the flimsy little coaster I got. Still super cute, but I'm not super down for how cheap it is. But other than that, I think overall I give this box my stamp of approval. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I have this idea. I'm thinking about getting the Doki Doki subscription box. It's another Japanese Kawaii subscription box. I want to do like a versus. I want to see which one's cuter, which one's better, and which one is more worth bang for your buck. If that's something you guys would be interested in, I'd love to know your opinions and thoughts down below. I always appreciate any advice or any suggestions that people have. If you liked this video, a thumbs up is always super appreciated. And maybe you could subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos I'll be posting in the future. I really appreciate any support I get, and every subscriber is held dear to my heart, and I really appreciate that people enjoy what I'm putting out. Well, I hope you all have a fantastic day or night, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!